Good morning, guys. It is May 24th, 2018, and today we are going on a new journey. Today is the Blue Cave Tour, which includes visiting 5 different islands, visiting the Blue Caves, which is like this beautiful blue light that comes from the caves, and a full day tour of Hvar. It's an action-packed day just like yesterday was, but this is a whole new adventure and I am ready. All I have left to do is put on some pants because I just finished taking some booty selfies. I have to be there in about 40 minutes. It is a 10-minute walk from my Airbnb, which my Airbnb is so beautiful. I love waking up every morning. This is only my second night here, but I love waking up every morning to the sound of the birds and just the children running and frolicking through the streets. I love it, honestly. I freaking love it. I could live here. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, here we go. Okay guys, so I just made it off of the boat. We were in there for 5-minute tops. It is absolutely beautiful inside, but we weren't in there for very long. But hopefully these videos do it justice because it really was very beautiful. So the reason that the caves are blue is the reflection from the sunlight. I guess there's like a secret passage or something that I don't even know honestly what I'm saying, but it's the reflection from the sunlight that makes these caves particularly very blue, and they're only very blue when the sun is out and in the morning. So if you get to see them, then you're lucky. What's up guys? We are now in Hvar. I believe I'm totally pronouncing that wrong. We made a stop at a place called Blue Lagoon because it's absolutely beautiful. I was deathly afraid of sharks, but I only saw a couple fish and they were swimming deep below the water, so it was pretty deep, but it wasn't like too deep where we were swimming. I'm kind of just going on a walk right now. Here's what the little path looks like. There's a fortress on this island. I was really excited about fortresses when I went to Malaga, in Spain. Come to realize there's fortresses pretty much everywhere we go now, which I still get excited about. But it's just so different to me, and I used to be obsessed with the medieval times, so the path less traveled. Honestly, is this even a path? I'm not even sure. Oh, hold up! I think this is part of the fortress right here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this. That's fine. This is the life I like to live. Oh shit. Oh, it totally is. Oh my god. Wow, okay, this is cool. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I just got back from the tour. It was so much fun. It is 7 p.m. We started at 8 a.m. in the morning, obviously, okay. We ended with a wine tasting, which all of the wines were absolutely amazing. We had a white wine, a red wine, which I absolutely hate red wines. In fact, the only wine I know that I like is Moscato. And then we had like a sweet wine, which is, I guess, a dessert slash cheese wine. I'm not really sure. But every single one of them was delicious, which has never happened to me. I've never liked any wine besides Moscato. So that was shocking. And I got pretty tipsy from just 3 little samples of wine. I wasn't the only one though, and I kept quiet about it, and I was keeping my composure. And this other lady that I was hanging out with all day said she felt kind of tipsy, and I was like, thank God, me too. I didn't want to say anything because everyone always makes fun of me for being a lightweight. But the wine was absolutely amazing. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog. Bye!